The 2025 Toyota Sienna might be the ultimate family vehicle. For the new model year, it's getting a big upgrade in terms of comfort and tech. Is it right for you and your family? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, Research, and then select Toyota. We make it easy to find what you want fast. As the only family van with hybrid all-wheel drive, in addition to a long list of active safety features, such as pedestrian detection, lane departure, lane tracing, full-speed radar, adaptive cruise control, and road sign assist, this Sienna checks all the boxes, not just to keep you safe in an accident, it also works very hard to keep accidents from ever happening in the first place. A new feature for 2025 is the available integrated vacuum system. Clean up after messy kids without having to run an extension cord all the way to the garage. This is the ultimate way to parent. For long road trips or summer days after sports, the integrated cooler holds snacks and beverages. The back of the Sienna is spacious, even with all three rows in place. But if you do need more cargo than people, the third row folds flat into the floor for a massive amount of storage on the go. Of course, the driver gets the best seat in the house, with an available digital gauge cluster and large 12.3-inch touchscreen display, running the latest Toyota infotainment software. This provides easy access to maps, music, and wireless projection with Apple and Android devices. An available JBL sound system keeps the party going all the way from the school pickup line to grandma's house on the weekend. For 2025, the center console gets an upgrade with a new wood grain design. Move up to platinum or limited trims for leather seats. Mid-trim, get easy-to-clean Softex leather. On the road, the Sienna's available hybrid powertrain provides plenty of power as you get up to highway speed. Once cruising, you'll find the cabin is as quiet as it is refined. This is an excellent driving experience for everyone in the vehicle, even in the third row. It might have a total of 245 horsepower, but the Sienna still scores up to 35 miles to the gallon, even with all-wheel drive, making this one of the smartest buys in the minivan market. Toyota achieves this by using a dedicated electric traction motor in the rear axle, which removes the need for a drive shaft. This reduces drag and provides all-wheel drive power in an instant. To experience the new 2025 Toyota Sienna for yourself, visit your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today. Get started at AutoNation.com.